Good morning. The crypto bloodbath. Bitcoin drops 7% to 7,500 as crypto markets loses $30 billion. Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. Follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. Thank you for following us. Go to knockoutcrypto.com to get more in-depth videos with special update reports and the next big crypto report. So what's going on in the market? The crypto bloodbath. Bitcoin dropped 7% to 7,500 as crypto market loses $30 billion. Over the past 24 hours, the Bitcoin price has dropped by more than 7.5% from $8,150 to $7,500 as the crypto market lost $30 billion in one of the steepest drops in the past 30 days. Expected decline, but extreme. Since July 29th, Bitcoin recorded 3 consecutive sell candles on its one-day chart, demonstrating the lack of volume and decline in the momentum of the dominant cryptocurrency. On July 30th, recognizing the declining momentum of Bitcoin, CCNN reported if BTC fails to gain its volume and falls below the 8,100 mark, it is possible for BTC to test a major support level at 8,000 and a drop below the 8,000 mark. If BTC finds stability in the lower end of the 8,000 region, a short-term bottom will likely be found at 8,000 with expected recovery to 8,500. Throughout the past 48 hours, Bitcoin struggled to demonstrate any sign of recovery in its volume and price and ultimately experienced a significant drop in its value overnight. However, despite its fall, Bitcoin has sustained its dominance over the rest of the crypto market, reaching a yearly high of 48.1% for the first time since January 2018. The strengthening of the Bitcoin Dominance Index is a highly volatile period, signifies the unwillingness of investors to take additional risk by investing in other major cryptocurrencies or small market cap tokens. In the last 30 days, BTC has been the best performer amongst all cryptocurrencies in the market and often outperformed both major digital assets and tokens on its upside. Hence, in consideration of the strong movement of BTC throughout July, it was obvious to investors that a drop in the price of BTC would cause other cryptocurrencies to fall by even larger margins. While BTC recorded a 7.5% drop, Polymath, Bitcoin Private, PundiX, VeChain, ARK, ALF, Decentraland, Icon, WineChain, Ontology, and Walton Chain tokens were active developer communities that have demonstrated solid momentum in the first and second quarter of 2018, recorded 10 to 30% drops in the past 24 hours. The 4 consecutive sell candles on the one-day price chart of BTC suggest that for BTC to initiate a quick recovery in the immediate term, a swift reversal with a spike in volume will be necessary. However, at least of now, because of the overly strong downtrend of BTC, an instantaneous recovery to the 8,000 region is highly unlikely. Some analysts expect a bottom of the recent drop in the price of BTC to be found in the high end of 6,000, possibly at the 6,900 mark. So we're looking at a drop to about 6,900, 6,800. With investors utilizing stablecoins such as Tether that are hedged to the value of the US dollar to limit the losses of their investments in Bitcoin, and investors in tokens moving their capital back to major digital assets including Bitcoin and Ether, until the crypto markets find stability and establishes a strong base to initiate a midterm rally, a short-term surge in the market valuation of tokens is difficult to envision. And there's another article going over as Bitcoin drifts down as price breaks below 7.8K support. Bitcoin bears may be in the midst of taking an upper hand. At press time, BTC is changing the hands at $7,536 on Bitfinex, down 6.9% on the day, a figure that also finds the price breaking a key support level of 7,800. The world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization has been largely confined to a narrow price range of 7,600 to 7,800 since it broke 8,000 yesterday. However, mounting sell volume continues to apply downward pressure, presenting a bleak outlook for bulls looking to take back the reins. As such, bulls are now looking for a 24-hour volume in excess of 2.4 billion, a threshold that will inspire hope of a reversal. For eyeing the charts, the extenuated bearish MAC distributes high price volatility and negative price action with the single line. An orange line continued to plow under. The above chart shows topside resistance begin at $7,987, with the 55-period exponential moving average acting as a barrier. Prices quickly fell from between 7,987 and 7,802 with a massive spike in sell volume, a cascading downbreak from the trading range bearish pattern. RSI is oversold at 22.9. It could either return bearish by dropping low of it, could create a bullish divergence whereby prices continue to drop from the previous hours, but the RSI creates a higher high. Extenuated bearish MAC, the extension created from the sell-off, risks a possible drop further as the bearish histogram continues to play out. The hourly RSI tells of a fight currently playing out between the bulls and the bears as it hangs at 22.14 at press time, presenting a possible weak bullish divergence before the closing period. If it drops below 22.74, it would expose the lowest levels in 3 weeks since July 10th. This would create a short-term rebound where price action would need to be reassessed. A drop below 22.7 RSI levels would likely expose Bitcoin to a short-term rebound, whereas price action would need to be reanalyzed. An extended MACD creates a new bear cycle on the histogram, extending the sell-off period by a couple of hours. A daily close below 7,600 presents a bullish to bearish trend change and risk the toppling the recent 2-week climb. So we are at, I believe we're at 76 Bitcoin right now. That's 7,500, below that 7,600 mark. So we can say right now that Bitcoin is probably looking at a bearish trend, and we could be headed to 6,900, 6,800. So keep your eyes out for that in the next few days as Bitcoin goes down. Let me know what you think about the current Bitcoin drop. Are we going to 6,800, 6,900? Follow us at knockoutcrypto.com. Knockout Crypto on Instagram, Knockout Crypto on YouTube, Knockout Crypto on Twitter. And you can go to knockoutcrypto.com to get the next crypto report and more in-depth videos. Thank you for following our channel.